This shows the tools being used for this installation. The only thing missing here is the level. The link to buy these tools are listed in the description below. The first thing we want to do is to measure and mark the height where we want to mount the towel rack. For this installation, we're marking the spot at 6 feet. This suits us, so that's what we're going with. Once you're done marking the height, the next thing is to use a level to draw a horizontal line on the wall. For those who might not know why I'm using a level for this line, the level helps you draw a perfect horizontal line. Once the line is drawn, the next thing we want to do is to place the rack mounting hole on the horizontal line to help us mark spots for the holes. So instead of measuring each mounting hole with a measuring tape, you can just place the mounting hole exactly on the horizontal line and then mark them out with a pencil or any marking material you have. The link to the tools and parts used in this video are in the description below, so feel free to go there, click on it and purchase them. Once you have your line drawn and your holes marked out, the next thing is to use a drill bit and a drill to drill out the mounting holes. The drill bit size to use for this particular hole was specified in the manual that came with the towel rack, so it's usually specified in it. And if it's not specified, you can always look in Google and search for the right size, the right drill bit size for your particular screw size. Once you're done drilling the holes, it's a good practice to wipe off the surface. Once you're done drilling the hole, the next thing you want to do is to hammer the mounting anchors into the drilled holes. These anchors should be flush to the wall, so you have to keep hammering until it is flush to the wall. Remember to subscribe to this channel and give the video a thumbs up if it was helpful. Now that the anchors are in place, the next thing we want to do is to mount the rack. You want to screw this rack in loosely at first to allow for adjustment and stuff before you tighten them at the end. So once all 3 screws are in loosely, now it's time to tighten them. That's it. Now we're done. If you were able to complete this with me, give this video a thumbs up. And remember to subscribe and share this video too. Thank you for watching.